the difference between a sticker price and the stock price. So sticker price, again, is what the company is worth. This is the intrinsic value. The stock price is what's the company trading at today, at any given time, right? So the price can be moving up and down all day long, but that is not a direct reflection of the company's value. Is sticker price something that you can go online and find? So yes and no. If you go into our toolbox, you will find that there are some sticker prices out there that have been calculated by some analyst growth rates and analyst expectations. But what we like to do is we perform our own analysis on companies. And so sticker price is determined by a number of different things. What we're going to do is take a look at how the company's been performing. We're going to say, okay, what has this company been able to do in the trailing 12 months? How much earnings has this company produced? And then we're going to take a look at the company's earnings. And first, is this a reasonable number? Is this rational? Or is this a bad year or an exceptionally good year? Because we don't want to take anomalies. We want to say, what can this company do under normal conditions? And if this is normal and a good number, we're going to take that earnings per share number, which is net income, divided by the total shares the company has. And we're going to grow that number at some percentage rate into the future for 10 years. And then we're going to discount that back to today to figure out a fair price to pay today for what that company is going to be worth 10 years down the road. And we do that looking at earnings. We look at a future growth rate. We look at a future PE, which is going to give us a future value for the business. So the sticker price does change over time. As the company continues to grow and perform year after year after year, we would expect that the sticker price is going to continue to head up as the company's performance continues to also move in that direction. Conversely, if the company is suffering, has poor performance, we'll see that sticker price come down. The sticker price is dynamic and it will change based on how the company is performing quarter after quarter and year after year.